Hello guys, welcome to this series that I will be backtesting Gbpusd or JU. Currently we're like 5.5% up. I am risking 0.5, so this would have been a what do you call it? A 10%, 10% win, or even 11% in I think 2 weeks. So I'm not sure if I should. So here's the thing: I don't know how to make videos, right? This is all new to me, and I did record the first video of like the breakdown of these. I already did the breakdown, but the audio was bad, the video was short, and just a lot of mistakes. So I'm not sure if I should just, or should I do it live? Should I repeat it? I might repeat it actually. Let's do it actually. Let's just repeat it. So then you have all the full context and you don't get lost. Gbpusd. Let's just do it fast. And also to show you how this works. So this is called FX replay. It's very good to, practice. So maybe you do this before buying a challenge. Let's just do this. Yeah, whatever. Okay, let's go. I'll just show you what I did exactly. This video might be long, but I might do part 1. So this video that I kind of recorded over here, I just unlisted it because the audio was very bad, and then the other one I deleted. Oh, okay, nice. That's not bad. So we kind of okay. I see what happened. All right, so yeah. So first thing that I did was go to the weekly just to see what's happening, right? So I made this kind of zone range, and the reason I did that because we are right now in the downtrend in the weekly. So if we kind of look at this, we are in a downtrend. Boom. So we are between this and this, and we will only validate a uptrend in the weekly once we break this. All right. And if we go from this point to down here, we're just in a continuation to go down again, right? So that's why I drew this zone. So that's all we want to see from the weekly. If this point came from a demand, that would be nice, but we can't go that far in data, so that's not important right now. So we are in this range, and we have this weekly supply and this weekly demand. That's all we need from the weekly. If we go down, and daily is in the uptrend, we can see it clearly in the daily actually. So right now we're in the daily, you can see clear uptrend, and let's just draw this again. So up, cut it down, up, and down. All right. So again, this is our daily zone. So weekly zone, now daily zone. So we just kind of keep going this way. Kind of uptrend. So we have this daily supply and this daily refined demand that it's already been tapped. So this is a refined demand from 4 hours. So yeah, we are bullish from this kind of sense. We did tap this refined daily / 4 hour supply demand. So since it was the 4 hour, so let's go to the 4 hours and just show you what happened. So we hit the 4 hour or daily refined one, and we kind of lower, high. All right, and then we break it. All right, not only did we break it, we also broke the supply. So we had the supply over here, it got broke. So we anticipate a movement to the upside to at least this kind of supply over here. All right. So right now, since price tapped here and broke structure, now we're moving to the upside. What I was looking for is a movement down to this demand and then continue up. So a pullback. I was looking for a pullback, but since I am a day trader, so I was looking for a sell towards the pullback. So let's go to the 30 minutes just to see what's happening. All right. So price came, dropped over here. I think let's just go to the 4 hours real quick. Okay, nothing in the 4 hours. I'm not sure what did I see. Okay, boom. So the 1 hour, we have this demand that we just tapped and price went up. So I wanted to go to like the 30 minutes and see what's happening. So we had this kind of lower time frame, maybe like the 10 minutes. Not even the 10 minutes, just stick with the 30 minutes. So we kind of had this, I was looking for price to break some of the structure, maybe even this or this. So let's just go up. We had the tab, we had some bullish movement. We have this 30-minute demand that I was originally looking for. I was originally looking for this. So if we move price, it did tap, but I like to hit the middle of the zone, not the start of the 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. I like to touch the middle of the zone. And as you can see, price just went up and kind of ignored me, right? Price went up, went all crazy and stuff. This came from no meaningful supply, by the way, this downtrend movement. So I thought that I missed the trade, but then I looked at this and I saw this kind of range where this could potentially be an inducement. So this was before these weeks, but it was an inducement. So I went back to the 10 minutes, my refined zone. So let me just remove this. Was it 10 minutes or 50 minutes? 50 minutes, sorry. Yeah. So we had this zone. I was like, okay, it's right under this kind of liquidity area. Price might tap and go up. So that was the idea. All right. And originally I was anticipating to take not this high, but somewhere higher. I just can't remember. I think it might be this liquidity or maybe let's go to 30 minutes. I'm not really sure. It might be this high. I'm not really sure. It might be this high actually. Let's just mark this high. All right. So that was the movement. Price tapped into this, and then I think I was looking at this high. I can't remember. Anyways, so we had this liquidity. Prices right going down, as you can see. 3, 2, 1. I was like, okay, if price goes above this, I will ignore this whole idea. So if price went above this high, I would just ignore everything and I'll look for a different demand. But as you can see, it didn't even go there. Maybe we had an opportunity to sell down, but yeah. So you see, as you can see, this precise tap into the demand, and whoop, we just skyrocketed into the take profit. Boom. One thing I wanted to show you, if we go to our, again, 30-minute demand, price came to the middle of the zone. So my original idea was still valid. But the 5-minute was too refined. It was too. So originally I would look for the 5-minute. I'm not gonna lie, but it was just too refined. It was just, I was scared to miss the movement, and I think I would have missed it.